Whoa, whoa, yeah, da, da, da. I've been walking through the fire, trying to heal these hidden scars. Smiling for the camera, but I'm breaking in the dark. Life is heavy when your heart is on the line. People see the glory, never see the fight inside.
I've been praying for a moment just to breathe, holding on to faith even when it's hard to see. All these battles that I'm fighting on my own, I'm tired of being strong.
So if I fall tonight, don't let me go. If I lose myself, please hold me close. I'm drowning in the tears I never show. Baby, don't let me go.
Sunny when I pray,
Love me through the pain. Stay with me even when my skies are turning gray. I need you now more than words can never say. Don't let me fade away. Hold me when I break, oh. Hold me when I break, oh. Baby, stay. Hold me when I break.
you don't have to hide your tears from me tonight. Let me be the peace you need when you're not feeling right. Lay your worries on my chest, let me share the load. You don't have to walk this broken road alone.
I've seen your strength, I know your heart is pure. Even when you're shattered, I just love you more. You've been carrying the world upon your back. Let me take it, just relax.
If you fall tonight, I won't let go. If you lose yourself, I'll hold you close. You're drowning in the tears you never show. Baby, I won't let go.
Hold me when I break. Love me through the pain. Stay with me even when my skies are turning gray. I need you now more than words can never say.
Don't let me fade away.
Turning cold, promise me you'll never let me go.
Even when your heart is losing hope, I'll pull you back, I'll pull you close.
We'll rise again, we'll rise again. No matter where the storm has been, just stay with me, stay with me. Hold me when I break, love me through the pain. Stay with me even when my skies are turning gray. I need you now more than words can never say. Don't let me fade away. Hold me when I break, oh. Hold me when I break, oh. Baby, stay. Hold me when I break.
This dance is called Hold Me When I Break, choreographed by Guyton Mundy, Yann, Rimbert, and Tajali Hall. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. There are 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the feet apart. Hand motion. Raise left hand up, palm facing out, as right hand grabs left elbow. Drag your right foot, clasp your body, slide right hand up to grab wrist. Then drop your left hand down, make a fist, palm facing in. One more time, facing 6 o'clock with counts. 1, 2. Continue. Right foot, nightclub basic, side, behind cross. Step left foot side, sway body left, right, left. Right foot side, 1/8 left, coaster step, back together, section 2, left foot forward, facing 10:30. Chase full turn, right foot forward, pivot half turn left, right foot back, facing 10:30, left foot back, half turn right foot forward, facing 4:30, right foot forward, left foot, rock forward, recover, run back, left, right. Section 3, 1/8 left, sways with hand motion. Step left foot side, sway to the left, push head to the left, look to 12. Right, push head to the right, look to 6. Left, push head to the left, look to 12. Right, push head to the right and look to 6. Quarter turn left, stomp left foot forward and push right fist forward, facing 12 o'clock. Right foot forward, sweep your left, cross 1/8 left, right foot back, facing 10:30. Left foot back, sweep your right, 1/8 left, behind, forward. Now you're facing 9 o'clock. Last section, step right foot forward, make a spiral full turn to your left, left foot forward, half turn left, right foot back, quarter turn left, left foot side, facing 12, swayed, right, left. Right foot side, left foot behind, quarter turn right, right foot forward, facing 3, quarter turn right, left foot side, facing 6, raise, right hand up, palm facing out, drop your right hand. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. In the stance, there are 2 restarts. On wall 2, you will dance 16 counts, then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with counts, starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. This is the end of 16 counts. Now restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. 1. On wall 8, you will dance 4 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 8 with count, starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. This is the end of 4 and counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. 1. Now let me go over ending. Ending occurs during wall 10. You will dance 16 counts. Now let me show you wall 10 with count, starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. This is the end of 16 counts. Now step left foot forward, sweep your right, make a 7/8 to your left, right hand around, make a fist in front of your heart. Now you're facing 12, ending. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.